Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to deactivate your Robinhood account. To begin, you must sell all your securities and withdraw any remaining cash from your balance. It's crucial to ensure there are no pending transactions or transfers active. Additionally, download all your account statements and tax documents for your personal records before proceeding. This preparation ensures a smooth and complete closure process. Before initiating closure, remember to transfer any cryptocurrency holdings out of your Robinhood account, as these are not automatically withdrawn. Double-check for any outstanding fees or charges that might prevent deactivation. It is essential to confirm your account balance is exactly $0 to avoid delays in the process. Once your account is prepared, the next step is to contact Robinhood support directly. You can typically request account closure through their in-app help center or by submitting a support ticket. Clearly state your intention to deactivate your account. Follow any additional instructions they provide and confirm the deactivation request to finalize the process. After your request is processed, your Robinhood account will be permanently closed. It's important to understand that a deactivated account cannot be reactivated later. You would need to open a new one if you wish to return. Robinhood will retain some of your data for regulatory compliance, even after closure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.